Namaste, myself Triveni Khurana, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic, JVN, Rajasthan. Today's topic is manipulation or mobilization. What is manipulation or mobilization? Manipulation and mobilizations are manual techniques used to physically affect a joint. If the patient are feeling joint pain or stiffness, therapists may decide that manipulation or mobilization are the best course of treatment. There are wide range of techniques that can be used to move a joint to increase its range of movement. Manipulation and mobilizations get the joint moving. This often takes place with the individual in a relaxed position. This allows the therapist to move the joint within the desired range. This will achieve movement of the joint that would not be possible by the patient alone due to pain. The manipulation or mobilization gets the joint moving, which can reduce stiffness, reduce pain, increasing range of movement and increase function. Manipulations and mobilizations can benefit many problems such as back pain, neck pain, reduced range of motion and joint stiffness. Now we are moving towards McKenzie concept. What is the McKenzie concept? The McKenzie concept is a technique used to treat back pain. I repeat, McKenzie concept is a technique used to treat back pain. Therapist will instruct the patient to make repeated movements which will show which movement reproduce pain. Therapist can then deduce which structure is causing pain in the spine and apply effective treatment. Treatment consists of an exercise program based on movements that relieve pain. The exercises are specifically tailored to the individual and are designed to centralize pain and therefore reduce pain. The McKenzie concept has the following benefits: reduce pain, restore function, advice to maintain pain relief, advice on positioning and posture to prevent reoccurrence. The McKenzie concept is beneficial for anyone with mechanical back pain such as joint stiffness and reduced range of motion. Now, what is MWM or mobilization with movement? Mobilization with movement or MWM are the mobilization techniques and are used as part of Mulligan concept. MWM are used for restricted limb movements that could be restricted due to spinal disorders. The spine is mobilized as symptomatic movements are performed by the individuals. Snags are a form of MWM. MWMs are the glides performed on the joint whilst the individual performs the symptomatic movement. The glide should cause the movement to become pain-free, and the benefits of this MWM include reduced pain on movements of the limb, increased function, increased range of motion of limbs. MWM are beneficial for problems of the limbs that result from spinal problems such as reduced range of movements of the limbs, pain on movements of the limbs. Now, what is Mulligan concept? The Mulligan concept involves several different mobilizing techniques to treat especially the spine. The technique also treats limbs affected by damage to spine. The mobilizing technique includes natural hypophyseal glides, that is NAG, sustained natural hypophyseal glide, that is SNAG, and MWM, mobilization with movement. Therapist will select treatment appropriate to the individual and their pain. The Mulligan concept uses specifically directed mobilizations of the spine whilst it's in weight bearing position. I repeat, Mulligan concept application is in weight bearing position. The aim of these mobilizations is to increase the pain-free range of movement of the spine and affected limbs. The mobilizations are repeated until this outcome is achieved. The Mulligan concept has the following benefits: reduction in pain, increased pain-free range of movement of spine and limbs as well, and increases function. The Mulligan concept is beneficial for anyone with neck or back pain and resulting limb pain such as joint stiffness in the back or neck as well as arms or legs. Reduced range of movement in the back or neck as well as arms or legs. Pain in the back or neck as well as arms or legs. Now next technique is MET. MET, muscle energy technique. MET are type of manual therapy technique used to lengthen, strengthen and improve range of movement of muscles. The therapist will resist the desired muscle while patient contract it and push against the therapist. This contraction is held for about 5 seconds and the process is repeated several times with a short rest in between. MET are based on reciprocal inhibition, which is the theory that when a muscle is contracting, the opposite muscle of the joint is relaxing. So, as one muscle is contracting against the therapist, the opposite muscle is being stretched. MET allows the individual to contract and stretch the muscle to its full potential and take the joint to its full range of movement. When this is repeated, gains can be made in muscle flexibility and strength. MET can be used by healthy individuals also to maintain muscle flexibility and to prevent injury. MET are also used as treatment for problems such as pain inhibited movement of neck, shoulder and back, sciatica, scoliosis, contractures, leg length discrepancy, muscle injury and muscle tightness. Now the next technique is myofascial release. Myofascial release is a combination of light stretching and massage to release muscle tension and break up scar tissue. The therapist will apply moderate traction and twisting technique in combination with gentle stretching in order to achieve it. Each stretch and massage technique can last for several minutes and be performed several times until the muscle is completely relaxed. Myofascial release provides benefit by combining stretching and massage. The technique used and length of time taken allow muscle to relax and also to help break up scar tissue that can be formed from tense, overused or injured muscle. It can also prevent injury occurring by maintaining flexibility and range of movement. Myofascial release can benefit several conditions including muscle injury, muscle spasm, contractures, carpal tunnel syndrome, arthritis, whiplash injury and fibromyalgia too. Now what is natural apophyseal glide and sustained natural apophyseal glide? These are the mobilization techniques and are used as a part of the Mulligan concept. Nags are used on the cervical spine as well as the upper thoracic spine, and snags are used throughout the spine, rib cage and sacroiliac joint. They are also used to treat limb problems that have occurred as a result of spinal problems. Snags are the gliding mobilizations and should be performed pain-free. Nags mobilize joint midway through the range of movement, while the snag mobilize joint to the end of their range of movement. Snag are the form of MWM. Now how do snag and nags help? Nags are used to create pain-free range of movement by repeated mobilizations of joint within the pain-free range. Repeated movement of the joint reduces stiffness and therefore reduce pain, increases pain-free range of movement and increases function. Snags are glides performed on the joints while the individual performs the symptomatic movement. The glide should cause the movement to become pain-free. What is soft tissue mobilization? Soft tissue mobilization in general term, it is used to describe different forms of massage therapy. Therapists will use manual techniques to affect muscle and other soft tissue. Soft tissue mobilization is used to relax muscles, promote healing and break down scar tissues. Soft tissue mobilization works by mobilizing muscle and therefore breaking up scar tissue. The mobilization also helps to remove waste products from the damaged area, which increases the speed of healing process. Soft tissue mobilization also helps to release the tension in the muscle, which increases flexibility and range of movements. Now, what is traction? Traction is a manual technique designed to reduce pressure on affected vertebral discs that are causing pain. Traction is a manual stretching of the spine which reduces pressure on the disc and therefore reduces the individual pain. What is disc? Disc is a circular structure that sits between each vertebra in the spine. It has a tough outer layer surrounding soft inner tissue. When a disc is under pressure and damaged, the tough outer layer is damaged and the soft inside protrudes through the gap. This protrusion compresses nearby nerves, causing pain. Now, traction pulls the vertebra away from the disc, releasing the pressure on the disc. This assists the soft part of the disc to return within the disc. This decompresses the nerve and hence reduces pain. This also helps to rehydrate the disc. Traction can be beneficial for problems such as herniated or prolapsed disc, sciatica, neck pain, spondylitis, spinal stenosis and degenerative disc. Now, what is trigger point therapy? Trigger point therapy is a neuromuscular therapy designed to speed up recovery from injury, correct muscular imbalances and relieve pain. Therapists will stretch the muscle and then apply pressure to the areas of muscle tightness or knots. This helps to relieve muscle tension and promote healing. Inflammation occurs when a muscle is injured. The body recognizes this and this causes pain, which makes patient protect the muscle to prevent further damage. The pressure of trigger point therapy reprograms the neuromuscular system so that pain decreases. This encourages the muscle to return to their normal state. This promotes healing as the inflammation decreases and the individual experiences reduced pain and tightness. Trigger point therapy can be beneficial for conditions that may include muscle injury, muscle tightness, carpal tunnel syndrome and repetitive strain injury. Now, what is the instrument assisted soft tissue mobilization? It is a manual therapy technique performed with assistance of handcrafted instruments. It is a relatively new treatment method that is growing in popularity and allow patient to achieve effective result in a short space of time. The instrument used by therapists and manufactured from stainless steel and are accurately designed to fit the natural contour of the body. It is a non-invasive method of treatment and is performed specially trained therapists to provide the special release of soft tissue structures. Where did it originate? Similar instruments were used in ancient years in Greece and Italy for therapeutic reasons. Further origin of it were by gua sha, which is a Chinese instrument used thousands of years ago to achieve similar results. Now, what is involved in IASTM treatment? After a thorough assessment regarding the nature and cause of any symptom, the therapist will begin to treat the area by performing specific light strokes with the chosen instrument in order to provide release to the structure. The direction of movement and the amount of pressure applied will be depend on the type of structure that is being treated and the specific intention of the treatment being provided. Patients undergoing IASTM treatment often report a soothing experience that can result in swift pain relief and improvement in movement at the region. Now, what are the benefits of IASTM? It is designed to provide symptom relief by improving pain, reducing muscle tension, reducing scar tissue adhesion, restoring range of movement, encouraging tissue healing, and promote return to activity. What are the conditions that can be treated with IASTM? These are lower back pain, plantar fasciitis, scar tissue injuries, muscle strains, shin splints, trigger finger, neck pain, and shoulder injuries.